Par-Sem show, Parsons Field Seminary, in case you don't know what Par-Sem means. These are the street rods. It's George here again, as usual. And got some nice cars here. But there's a beautiful Deuce Coupe. I voted for this one because it's just a perfectly traditional aluminum brake drums, finned aluminum. Looks like a Chevy V8 with what, 6 carburetors? 6 2-barrels. And 40 Ford steering wheel. And then there's this, what is it, 36 Plymouth. And oh, that's a Dodge. This is a Plymouth. You can tell because there's a Dodge Ram on that hood and there's a Plymouth ship on this hood. But here's the star of the show. This belongs to my son Richard. Sat in my backyard for like 10 years before he decided to do something to it. That's my grandson waving over there. Yeah, so that's 77 Oldsmobile Cutlass chassis under there, stretched out 5 inches. It's got the original Oldsmobile engine, 350, and automatic. And took him about 1 year.
Yeah, he's got a little channel going himself.
Yeah. Nobody found it.
Nobody found it? Hopefully you're doing it right?
No, the trouble is it's the Al show, and if you go looking for the Al show, you get Weird Al Yankovic.
Yeah.
So, yeah, because he used to have a show. So, Buick Special.
And I gave him a little bit of the story because I get a better idea. Because I got one of these.
3-window coupe with a rumble seat. That's nice. And then there's this. This is homemade Woody. Started out as a truck, not a car. You can see where the guy built it all himself. He's got all the pictures. But the front hood and stuff, that's all from a truck, not a car. And there's a car right there. Similar, but not quite. The car's got chrome trim on them, and the truck's only had the raised up bead. Yeah, so it's a Chrysler convertible, I guess. Used to be a coupe. Doesn't have a top. And a beautiful 37. Belongs to Carl Tire Box. He's always winning stuff with this. And George is always winning too. This green Ford, he always comes in first or second. Used to be first all the time, but he's had it too long, I guess. Everybody's seen it. Okay, well, there's my Monte Carlo over there, by the way. There's a whole lot of 70s cars. There's a 4-door 56. Customs modified. This is 57 Chevy. Nice engine. 55 Ford, red and yellow. Yeah. And then there's this beautiful 53 Chevrolet. And then there's a Buick. This one's quite a custom. I think it's a 52. But I think the roof roof is off of a 56 Chevy, and the grill's Oldsmobile. I mean, he made a lot of changes, and it's a real nice car. And then we have 57 Chevy convertible, Chevy Nova. Couple of Mustangs. There's a little 6-cylinder one. I think that color is called Sage Gold, because I had a convertible with this paint on it. I had to redo the fenders. Porsche 944,
But I think between these two cars, I mean
and that one there is a Porsche 948.
that didn't come from anything else. They just sat down and built a whole new car. And the engineering of
And,
that.
948 has the fold-out headlights, or maybe it's a 928. I don't remember. But it's definitely an 8. They also had this wraparound rear end, which they didn't have on the 944. And a couple of Shelbys. So a blue 69 and a white 65, no 66. So I don't know, my time is probably up already, so I'll have to put on a second video.
That type of stuff, but then there was a couple out in Kansas and Wyoming.
Fang. And then we got a Cougar. And I suppose there are people who, oh yeah, there's a Porsche Speedster. I thought it was a Volkswagen from back there, but no.
We just have to outweigh him.
1600 Super,
Oh, where do your rods went up?
no windows. Don't know what year it is. It's a 57, 356.
Give me a few of them.
I don't know.
Yeah, maybe. I'll have enough oil in the training bike.
There you go.